Hi everyone, in front of me I've got DOOGEE S80 and let me share with you how to add or remove a Google account from this device, so actually how to manage it. So first of all, let's enter the settings, and here we have to find the option with accounts. So let's tap on it, and right now we have to simply tap on add account. Choose obviously Google. Make sure that you've got the internet connection because it is required for this operation. And from this step we can either create a new account if you do not have your own yet, or simply type your email or phone. So let me do it. Okay, let's tap on next. Right now we have to enter the password, so let me do this out of the screen. Okay, so let's tap on next. Here we've got Google Terms of Service and Privacy Policy, so of course you can read it, just tap on it, and here you will have all the info you need. Just tap on I agree after reading. Here we've got the backup and storage info, so just tap on accept. And as you can see, we just successfully added our Google account to this device. Obviously, you can remove it whenever you want to, just tap on it and tap on remove account. Tap on remove account again. If you're sure, tap on OK. If you've got a pattern or a PIN, then you will have to enter it. And okay, maybe we have to, oh, okay. So we just got back to the accounts section, and as you can see, it almost immediately disappears. So it means that we just successfully removed it. So actually, this is it. This is how to manage Google account in your DOOGEE S80. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.